Evening viewer, welcome to our Globe TV years breaking news. Yeah, the Indian rupee slapped to a fresh all-time low and launched its biggest single-day decline in nearly 2 years on Monday. Walked down by a surging US dollar, likely outflows from local equities and limited interventions from the central bank. The rupee declined to 86.5825 before ending the session at 86.5750, down 0.7% on the day. The last limit and last time to it fell this much was in February 2023. The local currency was declined over 2% since December on worries over India's slowing growth and expectations that central bank may cut rates as soon as February. The rupee slide can continue for some time as negative factors have stacked up quite a bit unless the central bank announces some measures, said Anshul Chandak, head of Treasury at I beg your pardon, RBL Bank. Chandak reckons the 87 handle is just around the corner for the rupee and expects the Reserve Bank of India to use its diminished reserves cautiously. India's foreign exchange reserves dropped to $634.6 billion in the week through January 3rd and over 10 months low and down $70 billion from a peak hit in late September. The country's FX reserves saw the biggest drawdown in percentage terms in Asia in December as far as Nomura's calculation. The RBI has been intervening to slow down the rupee's decline, settling and also called the selling dollars in the spot and the forward market. The RBI sold dollars on Monday, but less aggressively than previous episodes of sharp rupee's weakness, traders said. Yeah, the rupee's weakness is in line with Asian currencies which were struggling on the heels of the dollar's index climbing to an over 2 years peak. The US economy added more jobs than expected in December, reinforcing expectations that borrowing costs in the US will likely remain higher for longer, boosting the dollar and pushing US Treasury yields to multi-month highs. The dollar has been relying on the lead up to US President-elect Donald Trump's inauguration on Jan 20. Higher US yields have prompted investors to exit riskier assets, sending the benchmark Indian equity indexes, the BSE Sensex and the Nifty 50 down 1.2% each on Monday. Foreign investors are exciting their Indian investments and have sold over $4 billion of domestic stocks and bonds in January so far. Behind this exclusive report, Glory Globe to Delhi, Bharat.